Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to fix the Airbnb code not received. First, check your mobile network signal and make sure that it is strong. Weak signal can delay or block SMS codes. Then, confirm that you've entered the correct phone number. You can or email address linked to your account. Restart the phone and request the code again. You can also turn airplane mode on. Wait for a few seconds. Wait for about 10 to 15 seconds, then turn it off. This will reset your connection. If the code is sent to email, go ahead and open your Gmail app and then go to the three-line option in the top right corner. Scroll down, look inside the spam or your trash folders because it may be filtered there. Now, avoiding requesting the code too many times in a short time, as this can delay delivery. Wait a few minutes before trying again. If the code still does not arrive, try using another verification method if available, or contact Airbnb support for help. That's how you fix the Airbnb verification code not received. Do not forget to subscribe for more simple and helpful guides.